Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to make $200 to $400 a day. And I'm also going to be discussing a little bit about our program and what we do. So, we simply make a great part or full-time income buying and listing tickets for a profit. That's all we do. The program is called Ticket Flipping Hub, and there's a link down in the description that you can click to check out the program and see some more additional information about it. So, what do we do here at Ticket Flipping Hub? Well, the program is going to train you and alert you on exactly which events will be profitable. So, all the work and research is going to be done for you, and the step-by-step video training is going to show you how to do this business from absolute scratch from A to Z. What's also great about this program is that it's newbie friendly. If you've never made a dollar online, or if you've been trying to make money online for years now, you can do this program. And what's also great is that there's no recruiting or enrolling necessary. Personally, recruiting is a very small percentage of my income. Most of it does come from tickets. And of course, this is something very unique and different. Nowadays all you see is the MLM, the crypto. So this is really a breath of fresh air in the make money online world. And you can always work within your budget. If you really don't have much to your name, but you still want to do this business, you can definitely do this. We have people that start out with as little as $50 to $100, and then we have people that start out with thousands, upwards of $10,000. So it's very flexible, and you can do this no matter how much capital you have. So that's just a few pointers about our program. If you want to check out more, you can click that link down below. Thank you, and take care. Bye-bye.